I guide you to share a link on Instagram post. So let's say if you need to share a link with that Instagram post, let's hop into, let's say I'm going to Spotify. There I can search for any of the song. Let's say I can search for song like anxiety. Now I can tap on that. I can tap on three lines. Here if I scroll to find share, from there I can copy that link. You could see that link has been copied. Now I can go to the Instagram to the post. Let's say I'm tapping on recents, that should be camera, and from there I'm selecting a plain background. Now I can add text in that. Here you could see I can paste this link here. Now I can tap on done. I can paste it anywhere. Now again I can tap on, let's say I'm placing in the middle. I can tapping on next, and now I can tap a caption that check this link on Spotify for song, and I can tap on OK. And from there, if I tap on share, let's say I'm tapping on share and that is finishing up, you could check how that Instagram post with the link will be shared. So let's see, you could see that. Now, if you need to copy that link, you need to screenshot it. You need to go to the Google Lens and copy that link and paste it on the Spotify. This is how you could share link on Instagram post. Thank you.